Winter months and long-distance towing present unique financial challenges for towing businesses. Winter operations often see a spike in service demand due to hazardous weather conditions like snow, ice, and freezing temperatures. This increase in demand can strain a business's resources, leading to higher operational costs such as fuel, vehicle maintenance, and additional staffing. Similarly, long distance towing comes with its own set of financial burdens, including extended fuel consumption, vehicle wear and tear, and compliance with driver regulations, which further complicates profitability. Both situations require strategic financial planning to ensure that the increased costs are managed effectively. In this section, we will explore the key financial considerations for winter-related costs and long-distance towing operations. By understanding and addressing these challenges, towing businesses can maintain profitability, operational stability, and a competitive edge in the market. Proactive financial strategies will help mitigate unexpected expenses and ensure that your towing business remains sustainable even during high demand seasons or long haul jobs. Both winter and long distance towing require specific financial planning due to their unique operational challenges. During winter months, the demand for towing services typically rises as accidents, breakdowns, and stranded vehicles become more common due to snow and ice. However, this spike in demand comes with increased costs. Fuel consumption tends to rise as vehicles work harder to navigate harsh weather, and there is a higher likelihood of vehicle wear and tear from road conditions. Meanwhile, long distance towing presents its own set of financial hurdles, including extra fuel usage, compliance with driving regulations, and more frequent vehicle maintenance. These factors combined can strain profit margins, making it critical to adopt proactive financial strategies. Effective financial planning helps manage these costs and ensures the business remains profitable despite the increased demand. We will cover how to balance these increased costs with the revenue strategies, including pricing models and operational efficiencies to keep your business profitable during challenging winter months and long distance jobs. Proper financial planning is essential for towing businesses to successfully navigate the increased operational costs associated with winter months and long distance towing jobs. During winter, businesses need to be prepared for high expenses, such as increased fuel consumption, vehicle repairs, and additional labor costs. Long distance towing also requires financial foresight, as extended trips can incur more fuel costs and wear on vehicles. By utilizing financial forecasting and budgeting techniques, towing companies can ensure they are prepared for these challenges. Revenue forecasting based on historical data and seasonal trends allows businesses to predict peak demand times and adjust their budgets accordingly. Budgeting is crucial for covering increased expenses, such as equipment needed for winter operations or compliance with driver regulations during long distance jobs. Cash flow management plays a critical role in ensuring businesses can meet financial obligations, even during times of high demand. An example of this is DEF towing, which used historical data to forecast winter demand and adjusted their pricing to maintain profitability while covering increased costs. Winter and long distance towing operations can generate higher revenue, but they also come with increased costs. To maintain profitability, towing businesses must implement strategic financial plans during these peak seasons. Dynamic pricing is an effective strategy for adjusting rates during times of high demand, such as snowstorms or emergencies, to reflect the additional operational costs. Additionally, operational efficiencies like route optimization can help reduce fuel consumption and travel time, especially for long-distance jobs. Businesses should also consider staffing adjustments during peak periods, budgeting for overtime pay or hiring temporary workers to handle increased demand without overwhelming the current team. Proper planning in these areas ensures that your business not only meets the increased demand but does so while remaining profitable. For instance, ABC Towing successfully implemented dynamic pricing during severe weather, increasing rates by 15% and reducing fuel costs by optimizing routes, ultimately improving their profit margins by 10%, despite the challenges of winter operations. Fuel costs significantly impact towing businesses during winter and long distance operations. Cold weather makes engines less efficient, leading to increased fuel consumption as vehicles are forced to work harder in snow, ice, and freezing temperatures. Additionally, towing through snow-covered or icy roads requires more power, further escalating fuel usage. Long-distance towing also adds to the fuel burden as extended trips require more fuel than shorter local jobs. To manage these costs, businesses should budget for fuel price fluctuations and consider implementing fuel surcharges to pass some of these expenses on to customers. Furthermore, adopting fuel efficient driving practices can help minimize fuel waste. For example, training drivers to reduce idling time, use optimized routes, and maintain proper vehicle speeds can contribute to lower fuel costs. DEF towing reduced fuel costs by 10% during the winter by implementing a fuel efficiency training program for drivers and using route optimization software, helping them manage fuel expenses during peak demand periods. Winter and long distance towing operations put extra strain on vehicles, leading to increased wear and tear. Snow, ice, and salt on the roads accelerate deterioration of tow trucks, particularly affecting tires, brakes, and engine components. Long distance jobs add further wear on vehicles due to extended travel time and higher mileage. To avoid unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs, towing businesses must prioritize vehicle maintenance during these periods. Scheduling regular maintenance checks, especially during winter, ensures vehicles are in top condition. Businesses should also budget for increased repair costs during winter, as harsh conditions may lead to more frequent breakdowns. Proactively addressing potential vehicle issues such as rust proofing and regular tire checks can help reduce downtime and keep operations running smoothly. For example, DEF Towing implemented a strict winter maintenance schedule and invested in rust proofing treatments for their fleet, reducing repair costs by 20% compared to the previous winter. Towing businesses need specialized equipment to handle the challenges of winter operations effectively. Snow chains, winches, de-icing tools, and proper safety gear for drivers are essential for navigating snowy and icy roads. Having the right equipment in place ensures that jobs can be completed efficiently and safely, minimizing the risk of delays or accidents. Investing in high-quality, durable winter equipment can reduce the likelihood of equipment failure and the need for frequent replacements. In addition to outfitting vehicles with the necessary tools, it is crucial to provide drivers with winter-specific safety gear, such as insulated clothing, gloves, and boots to ensure their safety and comfort during extreme weather conditions. Businesses should allocate a portion of their budget for purchasing and maintaining this equipment, as it plays a key role in operational efficiency during winter months. XYZ Towing invested in high quality snow chains and winches, which allow them to complete winter towing jobs faster and with fewer equipment related disruptions, saving on long term replacement costs. Long distance towing adds significant costs, especially in terms of fuel, vehicle maintenance, and compliance with driving regulations. As towing jobs extend beyond local areas, fuel consumption increases, which directly impacts profitability. Additionally, long distance trips lead to faster wear and tear on vehicles, requiring more frequent maintenance to keep tow trucks in good working condition. Businesses must budget for this cost by adjusting pricing models to include fuel surcharges or mileage based pricing. Compliance with driving regulations, such as mandatory rest breaks for drivers, adds another layer of complexity, as businesses need to account for overtime pay or per diem expenses for drivers on long trips. Utilizing route optimization software can help minimize fuel usage and reduce travel time, ultimately lowering operational costs. XYZ Towing used route optimization software and implemented a fuel surcharge for jobs over 50 miles, reducing fuel consumption by 15% and ensuring that long distance jobs remain profitable. Winter towing operations present additional risks that may lead to higher insurance premiums. Slippery roads, low visibility, and hazardous driving conditions increase the likelihood of accidents, vehicle damage, and delays. Towing businesses must ensure they have adequate insurance coverage to account for these increased risks during the winter months. It's essential to review existing policies to ensure comprehensive coverage for winter related incidents, including liability protection for damage to customer vehicles or accidents caused by extreme weather. Additionally, businesses should plan for potential increases in insurance premiums by factoring these additional costs into their annual budget. Negotiating with insurance providers or shopping for competitive rates may help reduce premiums while maintaining sufficient coverage. For example, ABC Towing worked closely with their insurance provider to adjust their coverage for winter operations, ensuring they were protected from liability while keeping premium increases within manageable limits. In conclusion, towing businesses face numerous financial challenges during winter months and long distance towing jobs. By implementing effective financial planning strategies, businesses can mitigate the increased costs of fuel, vehicle maintenance, insurance, and staffing while maintaining profitability. Proactive cash flow management, including forecasting revenue and budgeting for increased expenses, ensures that businesses are prepared for peak seasons. Additionally, utilizing dynamic pricing models, route optimization software, and preventive maintenance programs can help businesses reduce costs and improve operational efficiency. Investing in high quality winter equipment and ensuring compliance with driving regulations further contributes to smooth operations during these challenging periods. Through careful planning and strategic financial management, towing businesses can thrive in winter conditions and remain competitive even when faced with the complexities of long distance jobs. Businesses like DEF Towing and XYZ Towing have successfully navigated these challenges by implementing dynamic pricing, investing in preventive maintenance, and optimizing routes, resulting in improved profitability and long term sustainability.